Welcome back to part 2 of our video where we're travelling along the river on a hop-on hop-off cruise where we'll take a look at our failed attempt at Wat Arun, have a look at Iconsiam, take in some more amazing river views. Let's go. Back on the river and heading to Wat Arun. And then on to Wat Arun. So we have to take the locals boat across. Okay, I'm surprised this doesn't stop there. Anyway, next stop.
Wat Arun.
Well, I was wrong. It does stop there and we're about to get off.
Wat Arun. Wat Arun.
So we're at Wat Arun, but we've decided not to go in because halfway up, if you can see the yellow, it's blocked off, which means you can't climb up. You can only go to the first tier, which is just above that white gate ahead of us. That's the first tier. Second tier is about level with the roof of this pagoda. And the third level's up there where that yellow is. You can't go up to the second or the third levels anymore. It's not worth it, so we decided we'll just take a few photos and videos and then we'll get back on the boat and head to our next stop. We're back on the boat heading to Iconsiam, so we'll stay on for a little while. So we're in the upmarket mall, so I've decided I'd spend my millions, my imaginary millions, on imaginary products. So let's take a look at the brands where we are. Gucci, Celine, Dior, Bottega Veneta, Louis Vuitton. Shall we continue, Rhoda? So I guess this is the most important wing. Cartier, Saint Laurent, Prada. I wouldn't be surprised if the Kardashians appear soon. Bulgari, Dolce & Gabbana, Tiffany & Co. Okay, there's more money in these stores than I'll ever have in my entire life. So we left the rich area and we went to the semi-rich area. nice waterfall. Yes, very nice. This is the lower ground level of Iconsiam. This massive food area market. Huge food area, market stalls, lots of restaurants, huge area. What did you think of that food court in there, Rona?
Huge. The biggest food court that I've ever seen.
And me too. And it was confusing. Well, we were lost. Don't usually get lost that bad. Oh. So it's time to get on the boat.